Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to use color correction for color blindness on this device. Simply go to the settings, scroll down, tap on the option accessibility. Tap on vision enhancements. So here you can see the option color corrections. Tap on this one. Now this is disabled. To enable this one, turn on this option. Now simply the color correction for the color blindness is enabled. Actually, this feature adjusts the color for better visibility based on different type of color blindness. So here you can see some options. According to your problem, we can change the option here. Okay. This feature adjusts the color for better visibility based on different type of color blindness. So simply in this way we can use the color correction for color blindness on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.